become your own favorite chef. I'm Amy, and I'm going to teach you what I eat for lunch every single day. One of my New Year's resolutions, if it's not too late to talk about New Year's resolutions in April, was just to start prepping at least lunch for me and my husband. And I figured I'd do one meal maybe a month. I started off with this tuna salad, and it's mid-April. We're still eating this for lunch because it's delicious. I still crave it. Drew still loves it and asks for it. So this is a very healthy, unique tuna salad, but also very simple and easy. So let's get started. First thing that you need is 48 ounces of very well drained chunk white tuna. I get the cans that are in water instead of oil. And I just kind of break that up with a fork. Then we're going to use 2.5 cups of chopped celery. Obviously, with tuna salad especially, you can adjust this to your liking. I love celery because I like a lot of crunch in every bite, so that's a lot of celery. I also love to add boiled eggs. This is about 7 hard-boiled eggs. It kind of makes the tuna fish salad taste a little less fishy, so you can certainly add more if you don't like the taste of tuna. It's just a really good protein filler. And don't ask how long to boil an egg. I don't know. I use an egg cooker and it's changed my life. So I boil eggs all the time now with ease. I love sweet relish. So this is a heaping 1/2 cup of sweet relish. Gives it some good moisture as well as great sweet flavor. And then pick your favorite mayonnaise. And again, this is more or less, I have about 1 3/4 cups. I don't like it overly creamy, so add a little bit more if you like it extra creamy. And then, for a little extra dill taste, because I love it, I've got about 2 teaspoons of dried dill. I have a little zest, 2 tablespoons of fresh squeezed lemon juice. You can also use a store-bought. And then salt and pepper. I have a teaspoon of salt. I have a teaspoon of ground black pepper. And usually, tuna salad, you stir it up and you're done. But I have a really awesome secret ingredient that I love in tuna salad, and it's actually raw kale. Hear me out. I don't like kale. It's bitter. It's not my favorite. I don't like to eat it itself or on salads. But when you add kale to tuna salad, the flavor is completely hidden by everything else, but it gives a little extra crunch, and it gives so many extra vitamins and minerals and nutrients without the calories. So this is gonna look like a lot of kale. This is actually just one little bundle you get at Walmart, for example, a rough chop. So I peel it off of the little stem and then just give it a rough chop. So you just got little, little pieces here. Makes what looks like a lot, but after we stir this together, you'll see it's not so bad. So the most important part of making this recipe is give it a taste. I made it just like I like it, but feel free to add more dill or relish or mayonnaise, salt, pepper. You can even use less kale if you need to, but I promise you can't taste it, and it's just a great addition that is flavorless, but a wonderful nutritional filler for your tuna salad. I usually put this into about 3/4 or a cup size servings for me and Drew to eat for lunch each day. This will last us about 1.5 weeks with both of us eating this every day. If you want to freeze any of this, it does freeze very well, except the celery gets a little soggy. So if I do want to freeze this, I might take half of it before I've added my celery. Take half of it in the freezer, and then when I want to thaw it out, then I can add fresh celery so that I'm not wasting that crunchy texture of the celery that turns a little soggy if you freeze it. Otherwise, the kale and all the other ingredients freeze beautifully. And that is Amy's tuna salad. Hope you guys enjoy.